Dear students, let's start chapter 4 of Social Studies, Geography portion, Mineral Resources and Industrialization, Part 1. In this chapter, we are going to cover the following topics, which includes what are minerals, who do minerals belong to, mineral policies, the mining process, and some important minerals and their uses. Let's know what are minerals. There are many definitions of minerals. In science, minerals are solid, naturally occurring, crystalline, inorganic elements or compounds. All natural substances that can be obtained by mining, digging, drilling, dredging, quarrying, or by any other operation are called minerals. They include stones, special types of soil, sand, coal, metal ores, other ores, precious stones such as diamond, and mineral oils, which includes natural gas and petroleum. Mineral wealth is formed by geological process. It is present in limited quantities on earth and cannot be renewed. Hence, all minerals will be exhausted one day. That's why they should be used in a sustainable manner so that they are available to future generations in adequate quantities. The next topic is who do minerals belong to? Different countries have different laws about ownership of minerals. For example, in Britain and the United States of America, the limestone belongs to the landowner, but in countries such as Germany, it belongs to the government. In India, minerals found under the surface of the earth belong to the country, and the central government makes laws for their extraction and use. But there are some minor minerals for which the respective state governments make the laws. A person can mine a mineral only after getting permission from the government and paying a royalty. The third topic is mineral policies. India's development and industrial policies determine the policies regarding the use of the country's mineral wealth. The government keeps several factors in mind when formulating mineral policies. The first is the role of the minerals in India's development and industrialization. Prior to 1990, most countries in the world wanted their own companies to mine minerals for the use of their own citizens. But all this started to change in 1990s, which was the time when the new phase of globalization began. Mineral-rich countries like Australia, Canada, South Africa, Indonesia, and China began to change their policies. They opened up mining to private companies and multinational corporations, bringing in capital and new technology to exploit their mineral resources and speed up their industrial development. Intensive mining boosted the international market and trade in minerals. These countries now limit themselves to three activities. First, they collect and share scientific information about the mineral wealth of their country. Second, they regulate the mining industry in their country. Third, they collect fees and taxes. The government has to ensure that it receives an adequate share of the income from mining through the fees and taxes it levies. In keeping with the global trends, India too made changes in its mining policy. The government announced a new mining policy in 1993, under which the mining of minerals reserved for the public sector enterprises was thrown open to the private sector. The Mining Acts were amended in 1994, 1999, and 2008 to allow private and foreign companies to invest in mining in India. Mineral wealth in India is found in regions with good forest cover that are the source of rivers. They are also areas where our Adivasi communities live. Mining destroys forest cover. It is estimated that 186,000 hectares of forest have been destroyed by mining operations since 1981. Washing of minerals also pollutes the local water sources. Such environmental degradation threatens the livelihood of the local people. The law stipulates that mining can be undertaken only after obtaining the consent of the communities living in the area. But these legal provisions are not properly implemented. And the fourth topic is the mining process. The Geological Survey of India (GSI) and the Mining Department of country state collect information on which minerals are found in which place and also assess the size of the deposits. Based on these GSI surveys, the government auctions areas with mineral deposits. Many companies participate in the auction. The company that wins the lease gets the right to mine the mineral deposits on that land. And this is the last topic, some important minerals and their uses. The earth contains more than 3000 minerals. All these minerals are important in our lives. In India, the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act 1957 classifies minerals into four categories. So here we have four categories of minerals. First is atomic minerals like uranium, thorium. Second, mineral oil and natural gas. Third, major minerals like iron ore, coal, bauxite, chromite, manganese, copper, limestone, gold, silver, diamonds, etc. And the last category, minor minerals. Minerals needed for constructing buildings such as granite, marble, sand, masonry stone. Minerals can be divided into two categories on the basis of their properties and structure: metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals can be subdivided into two categories: those that contain iron ore, such as manganese, chromite, pyrite, tungsten, nickel, and cobalt, and those that do not have iron ore, such as gold, silver, copper, lead, bauxite, tin, and magnesium. So these are metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals do not have metals in them, such as limestone, mica, gypsum, etc. Dear students, thank you for watching.